People think I am just good at 3D printing, and they are right. These aren't mine. These belong to my friend, and he's going to place them in his kitchen. Who hangs medals in the kitchen, right? He does. My friend and my client runs a healthy QSR in Bengaluru called Nutri Kitchen. So I am making medal holders for these medals. I know many holders are already available, but I thought of experimenting on my own. We have two options. First is a single piece hexagon holder. Second is a two-piece holder. The two-piece version comes in two styles, a magnetic fit and a threaded design. The magnetic version snapped into place. The threaded version needs to be tightened. The easiest option is the single piece holder. Just wrap it and stick it to the wall. I need the dimensions of the medal for the design. Both are done. This is the threaded design and this is the magnetic one. The threaded one wasn't looking good because the thread gaps were visible. So I rejected it. But the magnetic one looks clean. I made this to check the tag fitting. This is the previous design. I reduced the size but increased the height because the tag had less space earlier. Let's check the fit. I added two pauses in the slicer to insert magnets inside the print. This is ready. I am using 3M tape and it says 1 meter holds 2.3 kg. So let's calculate how much tape we need. The biggest medal weighs 130 grams. If 1 meter holds 2.3 kg, then how much is needed for 130 grams? Let's consider it as W. 1 meter equals 100 cm. 130 grams is 0.13 kg. On cross multiplying, we get approximately 5.7 cm. To be safe, I considered 10 cm. It's ready. Just peel this and stick it to the wall. This is how it looks. Like, share and subscribe.